Do you want to learn a fun and easy everyday pony with a retro vibe? With just a bit of twisting and tucking, you will have this cute and fabulous Topsy Tail hairstyle. Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me on another 2-Minute Tuesday where we show you how to do a quick and easy curly hairstyle. So for the first steps of this tutorial, I went ahead and parted Kennedy's hair into two sides. I then gathered hair up on the top to create a loose ponytail. Prior to this tutorial, I have already went ahead and detangled Kennedy's hair. You want to apply water and leave-in conditioner for this hairstyle. That way you have a great slip when forming the topsy turn. Go ahead and tie a rubber band in, but don't make it too tight. To make the topsy tail style, you would just part the hair into two parts, making them equal, and tuck the hair hanging from the ponytail back into itself, right through the pocket that you have created with your fingers. Don't worry if it looks a little messy, that's okay. That is the style we are going for. From there, you can smooth the hair and work in any bumps that you feel need to be worked in. Once you have one side of the ponytail done, go ahead and do the same thing on the other side of the head. Now, because I've only been given 2 minutes, I only did 2 of these topsy turns. But of course, there are so many different styles that you can do with a topsy turn. You could do one in the back, and you could also do several down the side, which I show in this picture here. Now, this will be a future tutorial on our channel, so make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell. That way you'll be notified as soon as it is uploaded to our channel, Girls with the Curls. After I have put the topsy tails in, I went ahead and put in these cute hair jewelry accessories. Just be sure to be careful, they are a little sharp and will definitely damage curly hair. As long as you are careful with them, you should have no problems. So they do sell this topsy tail tool, and I'll put a link in the description below if you feel that you will need the tool. But as long as you leave the ponytail loose, you should have no problem with flipping the hair through the pocket. Have you tried a topsy tail before? Let us know in the comments below if you have tried a topsy tail hairstyle before. And there you go. You have an elegant ponytail that is totally acceptable to wear whether you are going out to play, going to school, or even an interview for you grown-ups out there. If you're looking for more great hair tutorials and tips and tricks on curly hair, make sure you subscribe and check out this video that will be released on Thursday at 11 a.m. Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you, and we'll see you on Thursday. Bye-bye.